I truly am blessed to be on the same platform as you, and I know that you would like to say just a few words, but if you had to sum up your experience of working with this wonderful team and that really are, I'm sure, as humble to work with you, what is the feeling, sir, when you see yourself in this great vision, when you see it on screen like this?
To be frank with you, to work with Shankar is difficult.
Yeah.
And he is a perfectionist. That's why he's still, for the last 25 years, he's in the industry, almost 3-4 the biggest directors in the country, including you. He's also one of them. This picture actually, because since I worked already with him, but this picture is a 3D. It is very different experience when I see myself on a screen. But I'm telling you the truth. In this 2.2, the hero is not Rajinikanth. Akshay Kumar is the hero.
Whoa.
I have not given choice. If they had given choice, I would have selected that character. But hats off to Akshay Kumar. He worked so hard, and you can see that on the screen.
Sir, I had no choice, sir. I had no choice.
But a brilliant character, brilliant role. I'm really telling you, the whole country will applaud Akshay after the release of the picture.
Thank you, sir.
रजनी सर, कोई ईद पे आता है, कोई दिवाली पे आता है, कोई क्रिसमस पे आता है, लेकिन पिछले दिनों एक खबर आई थी कि आपकी फिल्म जब रिलीज होती है तो उस दिन त्योहार बन जाता है. इस कॉम्प्लीमेंट को कैसे लेते हैं रजनी सर?
The day you come, sir, it becomes a festival on its own. It doesn't matter whether it's Eid or Diwali.
By God's grace, my fans, they make great. Thank you.
Good evening, everybody. My question here is to Rajni sir. Sir, modlo solno trailer rombave super. Whenever you play a villainous role, we all love you because when you're good, you're very good, but when you're bad, you're better. Do you like playing Chitti too? Do you have fun doing that?
Actually, in this picture, I'm villain only. But always, actually, I would like to do villain characters. And in this picture, you will see that, the real villain. Thank you.
Sir, the action in this film looks spectacular. Did you have fun doing it? Was it difficult? How was the experience of doing it?
No, difficult hours, actually, I told you, he's a difficult director. But I enjoyed because this subject is very unique. And I want to tell you, this is not only a prestigious picture for Subhash Karan, producer, or Shankar, or the unit. It is a prestigious picture, the whole Indian cinema. Wow. And I'm telling you, despite of our technical excellence and the financial, strength, we could not reach the Hollywood standard yet. But I'm telling confidently, openly, this picture will reach that Hollywood level. Every Indian, our Indian film fraternity will be proud of. Thank you.
Rajni sir, your superstardom spans decades. Do you, from Indian film industry like Bollywood, who do you think will enjoy the superstardom that you have down in India, like everywhere in India, other than Akshay Kumar? Because I know you will take Akshay Kumar's name.
I couldn't understand. What are you saying?
Who else enjoys your level of stardom in Hindi
cinema? Who will enjoy?
Apart, who will enjoy?
At your age, maybe. At your age, who do you think will still enjoy?
At your age, who will enjoy? And he says, not Akshay Kumar, because he knows that you will say Akshay Kumar because he's sitting next to you. They said, I didn't
No comments, thank you.
One more question, sir. Salman sir just said, narrated an incident about you and him. You shared screen space with Shah Rukh sir in a small sequence in Ravan. You're doing an entire film with Akshay sir. When can we see you and Salman sir together? Or do you plan to do one film?
You've done movie with me, Shah Rukh.
Salman.
I would, even tomorrow, if Salman says yes, I am ready.
Lovely. We're going to take one last question, ladies and gentlemen.